Hey guys, Alison Fabricius Gardner here, and I come before you today to share a little bit of a secret. And that secret is that I have been running from my fears. When I first started Empowering Lower Lights, I decided that I wanted to share my journey and how to help other people, specifically those who supported people with mental illness in their life. Because I had seen up close and personal what it was like, and I wanted to help other people because I knew what it was to feel alone and to feel isolated and frustrated. To have resentment build so high that I couldn't see anything else. And I shared once or twice, and then I ran because it was too real. And I wanted to leave that behind me and go running off to other adventures. But the farther that I've gone and the more that I have learned and grown and the more emotions that I have released, the more that I realize this is where I'm grounded. This is where I know from personal experience where I am. So where I would like to take this channel next is a place of help to wives whose husbands are in the middle of depression and anxiety. To help those who support those with mental illness, because you see things in a way that other people don't. I myself cannot speak to depression and anxiety, but I can see how it has done things in my marriage. I can see that it's had an impact on me, and I can speak from a distance what it has done to my spouse. And so I want to speak from my heart. I will share tips, I will share things that I have learned along the way that have brought me peace, that have helped me release the resentment and the anger and the bitterness, and to embrace hope and gratitude and joy and light. I also am going to do my best to be real. I have discovered in my own life that it is easy to be vulnerable, or what other people would think are vulnerable, about my learning and about things that happen in my everyday life. That is easy for me, because I figure everything I learn is for other people. What's hard is sharing about the times that I hated my God. What's hard is sharing about how I forgot to laugh, or even how to. But I have learned since then how to do those things, and so if you are in a place where you are feeling very trapped, or you're feeling very uncertain, or you're feeling very alone, I hope you'll come here so that you can know you're not alone, and so that we can keep growing together. There is hope, and the things that I'll share have brought so much change in my life, and I can only speak for me and my circumstance. But what I do, I have seen work for others. So I hope maybe you'll give it a try so that you can embrace love for yourself, joy in your marriage, and that you can, as I learned over the weekend, embrace your man and your marriage. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I am excited to have you with me for many more. So let's get started on this journey talking about emotions on the next video. Hold on, have hope. Good days are coming, and if you're in good days, even better days are coming. And I will see you on the flip side to the brighter side of life. Bye.